Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to create a boomerang on Instagram through your camera roll. For that, make sure to have an Instagram app just like me and make sure to get logged in through your own account. So here you can see that I am already logged in. Now what you can do is tap on this Your Story option on the top left corner. As you do this, you just get popped into your own gallery here. Now what you can do is select one of the video that you want to create a boomerang of. I'm going to select one of the video just like this. So here, what you can do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner here. So here are just two options, that is draw and save. If you have got the older version of Instagram, you might have an option of boomerang on the top. But if you do not have an option just like me, that means you have got the latest version of an Instagram, and that might be the reason that you do not have a boomerang option, and that could be the reason that you couldn't make a boomerang out of camera roll on your Instagram. So I've got a very easy and a very simple trick for you. Now what you can do is go to App Store or Play Store just like this, and then tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter here Boomerang app. Alright, so as you do this, select for lots and lots of boomerang apps. Out of them, you can select one and then create a boomerang out of it and then share on your Instagram easily. So I'm going to select one. And you can see that I've already installed it. You can also tap on install and install another boomerang for yourself. I'm going to open this particular app here. And then you can see that you can select a video here. I'm going to select one of the video that I want to create a boomerang out of. As I've already done it, I'm going to tap on next just below. As I do it, the video is being prepared. You can see it, and you can even remove the watermark if you love to. Then tap on the stick option on the top right corner. So you can see that the video has already been prepared. This happens, you will be given an option of sharing it on your direct messages, feed, reels, and even stories. Since I want to share it on my story, I'm going to tap on stories option here. So as we finish doing it, now what you can do is tap on this Your Story option on the bottom left corner. And just by doing it, you have successfully created a story for yourself. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.